Here, bud. Here's yellow paint. What are you doing, Colin?
Well, cool the yellow car.
Do you like to paint eggs?
The little one going.
What?
The yellow one.
More yellow?
Yellow.
You more yellow.
Yellow.
Here you go.
And then a yellow thing. And then
Nice job, bud.
What are you doing, Colin?
Makes my financial up.
You doing a project? Are you having fun?
most plastic.
More projects. What color do you want to use now?
What's going on, bud? Y'all done?
Sure.
What do you want to paint on? What color do you want to paint?
Plastic.
Let's go with some green. What do you say, bud?
Green.
Green's our favorite color, huh? At least mine. There you go.
There's green.
Paint some.
Green one.
Show me what green does. Ooh, pretty.
Pretty.
You're really good, bud.
You're an excellent egg painter.
Well, cool plastic.
Cool
A
project.
project?
Plastic.
All right.
Are you bailing out on us?
Count, say hi to everybody.
Oh,
Plastic.
was that a nice hug?
Count, say hi to everybody.
Bye, body.
Bye, everybody.
Can you say, hi, happy Easter?
Happy corn.
How about happy Easter?
Happy corn.
Happy something?
Happy born.
Okay.
Happy born.
Happy goodbye.
Plastic.
Project. Bye-bye, buddy. You say bye-bye, Mama?
Plastic.
Just project. Okay, happy Easter.